If you are a beginner and you want to make money online, then here is a full guide in a step-by-step process to enable you build streams of income online working from home. What I'll share with you works in any country worldwide and no PayPal is required. So don't worry about PayPal to get your money today. I'll share with you virtually everything from scratch until you get your first client or customer online. If you stick with me till the end, I've reserved for you a number of special gifts. So stay tuned. Hey everyone, it's Peter from Digital Earning Palace, and I'm so excited today as I'll be showing you in today's video how to make money online in a step-by-step process. If you are new to this channel, you're welcome. I usually publish in this channel videos about how to make money online, digital marketing, online businesses, and anything else related. If you like this kind of content, make sure to subscribe to this channel, turn on the alert notification. In that way, when I release content like this, you will get notified. I need you to understand one thing which is very important. If you just watch the videos on my channel and you don't learn what I'm sharing with you and implement the things that I'm sharing, you will not make money. You have to learn, understand, ask, and then implement and start working. After watching these videos of mine, you have to work at least 1 or 2 weeks or even a month to get your first few clients or customers. You may get your first clients from the first day, but it usually takes at least 1 to 2 weeks to learn, understand, to ask questions, get them answered. Then when you begin to implement these strategies, you start to make your first profits online. If you like to make money, type in the comment section right now, make money online. Also hit that like button right now. So if you're looking for something that is scammy in nature, you're looking for something super fast, please feel free to pause the video or just unsubscribe from the channel and search somewhere else. Here I will be sharing with you things that I have tried and tested that works, some real strategies and real case studies. So without wasting any much of your time, let's get started with what we have for today. When we want to work online from home and make some money and build an online business from your PC or whichever means you use to accessing the internet. Generally, to work online, we have mainly 5 strategies, and the very first is content creation, the second being affiliate market, the third is freelancing, fourth is SaaS services, and the fifth is online stores. Don't worry about all these terms just mentioned, okay? In subsequent videos, what we are going to do is to pick each one of these mentioned make money online strategies and deal with them in details. I will also be doing giveaways in my videos. In order for you to join the giveaways, all you need to do is to subscribe to this channel, like the videos, comment I am in the giveaway in the comment section below. And when the number of likes in this particular video hits 100, I will pick a winner and create a business plan portfolio website for the winner of the giveaway. Well, if you wish to know the meaning of these make money online strategies, which are the best ways to make money online, watch this next video.